Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel Arc A380 desktop graphics card. So friend, Intel launches its first desktop Arc graphics. So friend, it will ship with 2000 MHz base clock and 75 watt TDP by default, and it comes with 6GB GDDR6 memory clock at 16 Gbps, and compared to mobile ACM-G11 GPUs, and the desktop variant gets full 96-bit memory bus and higher memory bandwidth of 192 GB per second. And there is no doubt that A380 is an entry-level GPU but still advertised as gaming capable, and Intel provides a set of gaming benchmark claiming that 1080p gaming at 60 FPS with medium setting impossible in popular duties. And friend, it is priced at $153 USD, and Intel claims that Arc A380 is up to 25% faster than Radeon RX 6400, which is AMD's slowest gaming graphics card. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.